Elon Musk always remains in the headlines due to his fantastic ideas and innovations. From electric vehicles to rockets, he's just amazing. I'm sure you people are also amazed by all of Musk's innovations. In today's video, we're going to discuss the crazy ideas of Elon Musk. So, without wasting time, let's dive into the video. But first, if you're new here, consider subscribing to this channel to continue receiving great weekly videos like this one. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can get informed every time I publish a new video. You'll be surprised to know that Musk wants to colonize Mars. He and his company SpaceX working hard to make it possible. The SpaceX Mars program is a research and development project started by Elon Musk and SpaceX to help with the ultimate colonization of Mars. Fully reusable launch vehicles, human-rated spacecraft, on-orbit propellant tankers, rapid turnaround launch and landing platforms, and local rocket fuel generation on Mars via in-situ research utilization are all part of the mission. The aspirational objective of SpaceX has been to land the first humans on Mars by 2024, but Elon Musk has announced in October 2020 that 2024 would be the target date for no crew trip. Elon Musk stated at the Axel Springer Award in 2020 that he is very convinced that the first crewed trip to Mars will take place in 2026. You'll be excited for sure, but we should keep in mind that colonizing Mars is not that easy. The SpaceX Starship, a fully reusable super heavy lift launch vehicle in development since 2018, is expected to be a crucial component of the mission. The spacecraft would first enter Earth's orbit, where it would be refueled before heading to Mars to carry a huge payload. The spaceship will be loaded with locally manufactured propellants after landing on Mars to return to Earth. The spaceship launch vehicle is intended to deliver between 100 and 150 tons to Mars. SpaceX plans to focus its resources on the transportation components of the Mars colonization project, including the design of a Sabatier-based propellant plant that will be deployed on Mars and used to synthesize methane and liquid oxygen as rocket propellants from atmospheric carbon dioxide and ground-accessible water ice. Musk, on the other hand, has advocated for a broader set of long-term Mars settlement goals since 2016, far beyond what SpaceX plans to build. Any successful colonization would entail many more economic actors, whether individuals, companies, or governments, to facilitate the growth of the human presence on Mars over many decades. Elon Musk wants to make people travel more distance in less time. So the next crazy idea of Elon Musk was Hyperloop. The Hyperloop is a proposed mode of passenger and freight transportation first coined by a collaborative team from Tesla and SpaceX to describe an open-source vac train design. The Hyperloop is defined as a sealed tube or set of tubes with low air pressure through which a pod can travel by little or no resistance from air or friction. When compared to conventional high-speed rail systems, the Hyperloop may theoretically transport people or objects at aircraft or hypersonic speeds while being energy efficient. If developed, it has the potential to minimize travel times when compared to rail and airplane travel at distances of less than 1,500 kilometers. Elon Musk first mentioned the Hyperloop in public in 2012. Reduced pressure tubes, in which pressurized capsules ride on air bearings operated by linear induction motors and axial compressors, were part of his initial proposal. In August 2013, the Hyperloop Alpha idea was originally presented, suggesting and exploring a route that would go from the Los Angeles region to the San Francisco Bay Area, closely following the Interstate 5 corridor. The Hyperloop Genesis study proposed a Hyperloop system that would transport passengers over a 350-mile path at 760 miles per hour, allowing for a 35-minute trip time, which will be far faster than current rail or plane travel durations. Musk and SpaceX have publicly open-sourced the Hyperloop concept, and others have been invited to adopt the ideas and develop them further. Several firms have been founded for this project, and several interdisciplinary student-led teams are attempted to enhance the technology. At SpaceX's headquarters in Hawthorne, California, a subscale track measuring around 0.62 miles was erected for its pod design competition. During the Hyperloop pod race at SpaceX in July 2019, TUM Hyperloop achieved a new world record of 463 kilometers an hour. In November 2020, Virgin Hyperloop performed the first human trial at its test facility in Las Vegas. As a tech giant, no one takes the risk of competing with Elon Musk's Tesla. First, no one believed in electric cars, but Tesla has done that. And now everyone knows that electric cars are not just a dream. Tesla has been producing electric cars and has stamped its name on the automobile industry. But now, it's not only about the car, it's about the battery. Not a simple battery, but it's about a million-mile battery. Musk has overpromised and underdelivered in the area of battery technology. He put on a display in 2013 to demonstrate a proposal to create a network of stations where Tesla owners could switch batteries and reduce range anxiety. Only one station was constructed. It was dismantled after little usage, but not before the California Air Resources Board awarded Tesla additional carbon credits for its efforts, which it later sold for a profit. The automobile industry has been working hard to develop not only electric cars, but also cars that are less expensive. Tesla has gotten a lot of attention by boasting about a battery that can travel 1 million miles. As Elon Musk's Tesla promotes new battery technology innovation in the run-up to the company's first ever Battery Day for investors, Wall Street is buzzing about the impact the next generation of batteries might make. In future years, lithium-ion batteries, which are still used in cell phones, will be phased out in favor of lithium iron phosphate and other chemistries. This will reduce expenses, extend the vehicle range to 400 miles or more between charges, and allow batteries to last 1 million miles. One of Musk's biggest concerns on Battery Day is whether his manufacturing plans are ahead of the research. Some of the world's best battery experts have expressed their skepticism. It's one thing to show results in a lab. It's another to set up manufacturing lines and profitably generate vast numbers. Elon Musk wants automation in vehicles and working on different projects to automate things with Tesla. Tesla Autopilot is a set of sophisticated driver assistance capabilities that equates to Level 2 vehicle automation and is supplied by Tesla. Lane centering, traffic-aware cruise control, self-parking, automatic lane changing, semi-autonomous navigation on limited access highways, and the option to summon the car from a garage or parking lot are some of its features. On all of these aspects, the driver is in charge, and the vehicle must be constantly monitored. The features, according to the business, decrease accidents caused by driver error and exhaustion from long-distance driving. Although it was placed first in the capabilities and performance and ease of use categories, Consumer Reports put Tesla Autopilot a distant second in driver assistance systems in October 2020. The company's stated purpose is to offer full self-driving at a later date as an upgrade to the standard autopilot features, noting that legal, regulatory, and technical challenges must be overcome to achieve this goal. Most analysts estimate that Tesla vehicles will lack the requisite hardware for FSD by April 2020. Tesla launched and commissioned consumers for an FSD beta program in the United States in October 2020, and it is now being tested by a few thousand Tesla owners as of May 2021. Tesla's idea to engage unskilled users to evaluate the beta software was lambasted by several industry analysts as risky and irresponsible. Similarly, numerous collisions and deaths involving Tesla vehicles equipped with autopilot have attracted the attention of the media and government organizations. Elon Musk's idea of attaching the human brain to a computer as a way to safeguard our survival if general AI takes over the world is without a question the most divisive of his ideas. Others believe we will never arrive, which isn't necessarily a negative thing. Musk, on the other hand, is concerned about artificial intelligence. So in 2016, he founded NeuraLink to create a brain-computer interface that will initially be used to assist people with neurological diseases, but will eventually allow humans to symbiosis with artificial intelligence. According to neuroscientists, the ultimate part appears to be a long way off. NeuraLink has created a 1,536-channel recording system using an application-specific integrated circuit, ASIC. This system consists of 256 independently programmable amplifiers, on-chip analog-to-digital converters, ADCs, and peripheral circuit control to sterilize the digitized data acquired. Its goal is to convert information from neurons into a binary code that can be understood to gain a better knowledge of brain function and the capacity to activate these neurons back. Electrodes are currently too large to capture individual neuron firing, hence they can only record the firing of a group of neurons. Representatives from NeuraLink believe that this problem can be solved algorithmically. However, it is computationally expensive and does not produce exact answers. According to Musk, NeuraLink received an FDA breakthrough device classification in July 2020, allowing for limited human testing under FDA medical device criteria. NeuraLink claims to have built a robot capable of rapidly inserting a large number of flexible probes into the brain, perhaps avoiding the tissue damage and longevity issues that larger, more rigid probes can cause. This robot contains an insertion head with a 40-meter diameter tungsten rhenium needle that is meant to attach to the insertion loops, transfer and insert individual probes, and penetrate the menines and brain tissue. Up to 6 wires, 192 electrodes, can be inserted each minute by the robot. Musk recently announced plans to introduce a project to implant chips into the human brain, allowing users to listen to music directly from the chips and assisting with controlling hormone levels and using them to our benefit, i.e. better powers and thinking, anxiety reduction and so on. We can say he's crazy, but what he has done with technology is the example itself. He has taken technology to the next level. Musk, with his company, is trying hard to make all the things happen they have talked about. If you like this video, give us a like so we can make some more videos like this one. And tell us in the comments section below what type of videos you want. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more weekly videos.